Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can export order details from WooCommerce, so let's get right into it. Now for this, you can use the built-in import and export tool. It's very easy to use, so I'll be showing you how to use that. I'll be using this guide on Cloudways since I do not have the money to pay for a subscription to WordPress, so I can't access WooCommerce at the moment. Now, what I'm going to show you is this method right here. It's how to do it with the built-in tool, as I've mentioned. And to export it in a CSV, you can also export it in the XML format as well. But to export it as a CSV, you just need to go to WooCommerce and select the WooCommerce button in the dashboard on your admin. Then once you're in there, you can go into the report section as shown here. And you can go across the orders dashboard, and there are various segmentations for your orders available, so you can select whichever one you would like. And the WooCommerce plugin generates reports for these called orders, customers, and stocks. Under orders, you can explore the sales by date, sales by product, and sales by category options. And then you just need to select a time period for your report. Once you select the time period and have the order data, you just need to press the export CSV button, which is found in the top right, and it's going to generate a CSV file, which you can then import and export, import to other services and export from this. Again, you can export it as an XML. You just go to the export option and select orders under the CMS dashboard in the tools option. So just go to export, go to orders, and download the export file, and this will be in an XML which you can open and edit freely. And yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.